Are you tired, exhausted, stressed, burnt out? Do you feel like you have to be busy all the time, or you feel pressured to always be productive, to, get into the grind? Do you feel guilt or shame when you try to take a break or when you try to rest? Do you even know how to rest? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. This meditation on rest is designed to give you permission to rest, to teach you how to rest, to encourage and empower you to rest. So right now, I want to invite you into a place of rest. Go ahead and get comfortable. It's better for this meditation if you are lying down, whether that's lying down in your bed, lying down on a couch, or on the floor, wherever you're most comfortable. But if a cozy chair is what you prefer, then go ahead and do that. Get settled into your nice, comfy, cozy chair. I also invite you to rest your head on a nice, soft pillow and to grab a nice, soft, warm, comfy blanket or quilt and wrap up in it. So just go ahead and get as warm and comfortable and cozy as you can. Now that you're comfortable, let's start with some deep breaths. So go ahead and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's do another one. Take it in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, breathe in. And this time when you breathe out, say to yourself, relax. Now go back to just your nice, even, comfortable breathing. Just taking nice breaths in and out. I'm going to say a series of statements. And as I say these statements, repeat them to yourself in your head. Let's begin. I give myself permission to rest. Rest is available to me. Rest is healing. Rest is care. My body is a site of liberation. I refuse to push my body to the brink of exhaustion and destruction. I refuse to let grind culture gaslight me into exhaustion and despair. I can learn to rest. I will rest my body. I will move my body. I will hold my body. I love my body. My body wants to rest, to heal, to be well. My body is a temple. My body is powerful. There is no separation between my mind, my body, and my soul or spirit. They are one. By resting, I will help them work together in harmony. My soul is the center of who I am. It is the most beautiful and powerful part of me. I will tap into my soul and my spirit. My soul knows how to rest. My soul needs rest. Without the care that rest provides, my soul will die. What is my soul trying to tell me? Rest allows the silence and the space for me to clear my mind. I am powerful, and rest will help me tap into that power. I believe in the impossible. I believe in miracles. I will dream without borders. I believe it is possible to rest. I will rest. I deserve to rest. Rest is waiting for me. I was born to rest. I trust myself. I love myself. In this moment, I will just be. I don't have to do anything, but just be. I don't have to prove anything. I will just be. I will let go of my addiction to busyness. I do not have to feel guilty or ashamed of rest. Rest is not laziness. Rest is not a waste of time. Rest is not a privilege. I do not have to earn rest. Rest is my right. I release the shame and the guilt I feel when I rest. Rest is not a luxury, it is a necessity. I will disconnect from the lies I've been told about my worth. I am enough. I am worthy. I am worthy simply by being alive. I am worthy of rest. I can rest. I must rest. The time to rest is now. I will create a life filled with rest. Rest is a place of freedom. Rest is a place of rejuvenation. Rest is regenerative. I will thrive. Rest brings me back to myself. I am centered. I am grounded. As I'm resting, I can dream. Rest will enable me to dream. Rest will enable me to imagine. Rest will release my creativity. Rest will enable me to heal. Rest is crucial to my healing. Rest will help me feel whole. Rest connects me to my true self. Rest opens up the space for miraculous moments. Rest helps me listen to my heart. Rest will help me connect to the deepest parts of myself. Rest is an honest place. Rest is a trusting place. Rest is a sacred refuge. The more I rest, the more I will wake up. I will follow a path toward leisure, softness, ease, care, and rest. I will make rest a priority. I will rest. I will rest. I will rest. Now, take a deep breath in and breathe it out. Again, in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time, in and out. Now, as you go back to your normal breathing, begin to become more awake and more aware. Begin to pay more attention to what's going on around you. You can begin to move your body. You can stretch. You can rock. You can sway. You can hold yourself, hug yourself. Whatever feels good, whatever feels comfortable, as you gradually come back to full awareness. If your eyes were closed, you can open them up. If you were lying down, you can sit up. If you were in your comfy chair, you can sit more upright. And continue to breathe. Now, if you would like, you can take a few moments to sort of debrief the meditation that we just did on rest. If you have a journal, you can pull out that journal and write in it. If you don't have one, you can start one. And make a commitment to rest, to intentionally build more rest into your daily routine. Every day you can ask yourself, what is a way that I can integrate rest into my day? What are some ways I can find to rest? And rest can be doing this meditation. You can come back to this video as many times as you need to. Say thank you so much for doing this meditation, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.